What should you do if a bully bully you? Bully you. What should you do? Should you cry? Should you lie? Should you look up to the sky? God is looking down, he'll never ever lie. And bullying can hurt you physically and mentally. Living in this world, you should treat people differently. I keep on telling you, you continue on a bully.
So who knows why we're here? Who knows why we are here? We're kind. Why are we here? Stand up. Come up. Why are we here?
We are here to learn about being nice to each other.
Good job. We're here to learn about how to be nice to each other. So this is our anti-bullying assembly. Anti-means don't. We don't want to bully people. But first we need to find out what is bullying. What is bullying? So we're going to have some students come up. They've already prepared some things. So come on up. We have some students from Miss Simmons' class. Come on up, you three. What is bullying?
Bullying can stop you from getting friends. If you bully, you could get a spinning from school. And it's being unintelligent. I can be a buddy, but not a bully. You will, wait, if you are a buddy, you will have friends. If you are a bully, you will not have friends. That is not fun. If you be a buddy, you will earn lots of things, but being a bully can make you lose lots of things. Being a buddy can give you some friends. Being a bully is not the right thing to do. Being a buddy is the right thing to be. You're supposed to come to school to learn, not play and be a bully.
Let's give our second grade. So those words they wrote on their own. Those are things that we should and should not do as a bully. So now we have a skit from our students at Rosa Park Students School, our school that's right next door. They're going to do a skit for us.
Hello, everyone. First, I would like to introduce Miss Pearlie, the counselor at Rosa Park. And in our skit, we have Kapari Moore as Miss Tillman. Patience Butler as Miss Allen, the teacher. Clarence White as CJ, the victim. Jarvis Brown as the bully. And Jeremiah Davis, the police officer. At first, we would like to welcome Jasmine. We picked her from the audience as the instigator in the play. Scene 1, in the classroom. Good morning, students.
Good morning, y'all.
Please take your homework out from last night. Your homework, CJ? Your homework? CJ, come to my desk. Why don't you have your homework?
Oh, I have to say.
But you normally do why?
Because Billy did.
Okay, go have a seat. Billy, come to my desk. CJ tells me that you took his homework.
I ain't take CJ home.
Well,
name right there.
And his name is also right there. Go have a seat. Scene 2. In the office with Miss Tillman. Good morning, Miss Tillman.
Good morning, Miss Allen. How are you today?
Good, and yourself?
I'm fine. What seems to be the problem today?
Well, CJ and Billy are at it again.
Those two are always at it. Okay, this is what I want you to do. If they're still having problems by lunchtime, send them to my office.
Yes, ma'am. See you later. Scene 3. In the hallway on the way to lunch. Come on, students, line up. Get lunch. See you later.
Billy took his love. I already told him.
Miss Till. Miss Tillman, they were fighting over my book.
What seems to be the problem?
He took my book
Why do you have this book?
because I needed it in class.
Whose book is it though? Whose book? Why do you have it?
You know what? You're being suspended. Go to the office. And CJ, stop letting him take your stuff. You bad times bigger than him. Take your book and go to class. Scene 4. It all goes there.
Oh, CJ is ugly. CJ always talking mess. You scary. Yes, you is. You always let them take your stuff. Try to do it. You scared of him. Yes, you is. I thought you was not scared.
Again? You just got back to school. You already started?
You know what? I'm calling the police. Nah, what? Hello, officer. We have a bullying situation going on. Could you please come up to Rosa Park Students? Okay, thank you. Miss Sparks, could you please allow the police officer in and let him know to come to Miss Allen's science room 209. Officer, arrest them.
Get up.
What's going on?
What's going on? Tell me something.
Arrest him.
Wait. This your last chance.
Why are you
Because he got more stuff than me, and I want to, and I'm kind of a little jealous of him.
Well, maybe if you would have befriended him, he would have been nice to you. He would have shared with you. You didn't have to bully him.
And why are you letting him bully you? You are.
So you know what? Officer, I'm handcuff him. Stand up. Thank you. Now, CJ, go back to class. Billy, sit down. Shanae, sit down. Shanae, did you know that bullying is technically a crime? Yes. Then why did you do it? I did. You were bothering CJ. You was telling CJ that Billy's back, and then you telling me no when I tried to break it up? You know what? Go back to class. You're being suspended. Billy, if you ever need something, you can always look that teacher, the principal, Jeremiah, Officer Jeremiah, or your parents. Now go back to class. So, we would like to ask, could you guys tell me what you guys learned from this skit?
I learned to not be a bully. Don't be a bully, be a buddy.
Now we have Jeremiah Davis. He's the vice president of the student council at Rosa Park, and he comes prepared with a rap over bullying.
Can y'all clap like this? What you do, bully you. If a bully you, what you do, clap, go to the sky, God goes down, he'll never ever lie. And bullying can hurt, physically and mentally. Living in this world, treat people different. Keep on saying and you shouldn't bully because it's not cool. I don't do it.
Bullying can hurt you physically and mentally.
Bullying is not cool.
Bullies bring down your self-esteem.
All right, let's give them another round of applause. So that was a great skit. And that happens every day. That happens every day. Those are some things we don't want to happen. We don't want students to get bullied. He was getting bullied because he was jealous. Because someone had some things that he didn't have. And all he had to do was just ask. All he had to do was just ask. And because he was a bully, he got suspended. The police was called. So he got into major trouble. And then they talked about what happens if you get bullied. You have to let someone know. You can tell your parent. You can tell your teacher. You can tell Ms. Carrington, the principal. You can tell me, the counselor. You may even see another teacher. Maybe you might see Ms. Moon in the hallway. You can talk to Ms. Moon if someone is bullying you. What if you see someone getting bullied? You need to still tell someone. If you see someone else bullying someone, you need to tell someone.
My name is Patience Butler. I'm Kavanya Moore.
I'm Jarvis Brown.
Jasmine Bronex.
I'm Clarence White.
Jeremiah Davis.
Bullying can hurt people physically and mentally.
It can cause people to go to jail. It can cause people to kill themselves. Oh, God, no. Yeah, it's very suicidal. Okay. It can cause
Kids should not do it because, like, officers can get involved and other people can get involved, like, if we want to or not.
like if you're a bystander, that's just worse than bullying because you're seeing what's going on and you're not helping.
People tripping each other, running down the hallways, pushing each other, smack count.
Talking about how less fortunate others might be.
Neck respect, all type of
Oh, yeah, like they be talking about each other and talking about the teachers, like, and the point they trying to fight the teachers. And, they be playing this game called Super Flinching, when, like, you flinch and punch you for 2 times.
It's like people fighting or stealing pencils for no reason. Every time I see somebody stealing a pencil, I'll take it from them and give it back to the person because that's not right. And why would you wait somebody else if they ain't doing nothing to you?
Right.
Well, it's kids in my classroom that, like, the little quiet ones that don't say anything and let people talk to them however they want to. So, most likely, when I see that happen, I'll stand up for them and take up for them, because if they're quiet, you're gonna try to pick on them and say things to them that they know they can get away with. And that's not gonna happen because they smaller than you. Why are you messing with them? So, yeah.
I would tell somebody, or tell them they need to stop letting people be disrespectful to them. As I told CJ in the skit, you gotta grow up. You can't let each and everybody do something. You need to go and tell somebody. That don't work, tell your parents.
I'll just say, man, if you need something, you ask for it, because bullying somebody for something you need is not worth it.
Well, the kid, they may get so paranoid and scared that they resort to killing themselves and committing suicide. The bully, he could go to jail, and he probably not gonna learn till he around another group of people. Because if he's bullying somebody that's less fortunate than him, when other people come around that are more fortunate than him and bully him, he gonna know how that feels. So he's not really gonna learn till it actually happens to him.
I agree. I was gonna say the same thing.
Bullies are people who don't have confidence in themselves. That's why they do harm people.
Bullying is bad. If someone is bullying you, go tell the grown-ups so they can handle it. Bullying causes people to have low self-esteem. Bullying is picking with them, calling them names, and teasing them. That's why bullying is bad. That's why kids shouldn't know it. Be a buddy, not a bully. That's why we need a non-bullying school.
Bullying is very bad. All bullying is constantly picking on the person who is smaller than you. Some bullies are jealous, and that's what they do.